In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this Minecraft effect using AI. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. This is a platform where you will be able to try it for just $1. That way you can follow this tutorial paying only $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, I'm going to use the Omniflash model. Now here where it says describe your video, I'm going to paste the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and now here I'm going to upload my video, that in this case is this one.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all.
So now let's click here. Now we have to click here and finally in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the result. It looks really nice. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. That way you could do a video like this one, and then if you don't like the result, you just can cancel the plan when you want. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.